It will be of value to you to know where your files are kept on the computer. And by default, they will go into your movies folder, which is inside your home folder. So if you look in your home folder here, there's the movies folder. And if we look at that here, there's the iMovie tutorial that we're looking at. There's the iMovie library. There's the Quick Start library. But you can look at what's inside a library by right-clicking it and show package contents. And now you can see the various events that are in that library. And these are the events that we've been creating with this tutorial. If I have a look at the interface event, open that, you'll see the content of the interface event. And in there is the original media. This is the media that I recorded on the computer. Also in there you will see your render files. These are the files that iMovie has created to render the footage. I would suggest that unless you know what you're doing, you don't need to come in here. But should you need to access the information about where events are without iMovie being open, this is where you will look. So in your movies folder, right-click, show package contents. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, pressing the bell so you'll be notified of further videos.